Clutch Cargo and his pals Spinner and Paddlefoot in another exciting adventure, the Arctic Bird Giant. Our story opens at the Shady Rest Hotel, where Clutch and company have taken a room.
And in room 12 of the Shady Rest Hotel, Clutch and company are busy writing another chapter in his logbook about their last adventure.
This quiet hotel is made to order for riding, Spinner, after what we've been through.
I'll say, Clutch, and Paddlefoot is almost rested up.
Mush! Quiet! Mush, mush!
Number 12, Clutch Cargo and company's room.
I'll get it, Spinner. Oh, why, it's my old friend Snowshoe Slednik.
Ooga-looga, Clutch Cargo.
Ooga-looga to you, Snowshoe. Come on in. Spinner, I want you to meet Snowshoe Slednik and his dog Snowball. You've heard me speak of them.
Yeah, I've always wanted to meet you, Mr. Snowshoe. Do you really have days and nights that are 6 months long, Mr. Snowshoe?
Ooga-looga.
What does ooga-looga mean, Mr. Snowshoe?
Later, Spinner. What's all the excitement, Snowshoe? What brings you so far from the North Pole?
Much trouble, Clutch Cargo. Our old friend Captain Lowtide, who once saved my life, in big, bad danger. His plans for giant igloo housing project with TV in every igloo have gone poof. His big ships are frozen solid in ice. Big mysterious bird giant after him.
Sounds like the same bird giant I wrote about in my Arctic adventure book. This doesn't sound good. We'd better hurry. Not a moment to lose. Step on it, driver.
Clutch and company, anxious to help Snowshoe solve the Arctic mystery, arrive at the airport to begin their northern flight.
Almost loaded, Spinner. All aboard, everybody.
But where's Mr. Snowshoe? He's disappeared.
Uh-oh, and his dog's missing, too.
It's Paddlefoot. He's telling us something. Snowshoe, he's over this way. Follow Paddlefoot. He's got the scent. He knows where Snowshoe is. An ice cream truck? What are you stopping here for, Paddlefoot? We haven't got time.
Yeah, time's a-wasting, Paddlefoot.
Snowshoe.
And Snowball, what are you two doing in there?
Too much excitement for Snowball and me. We crawl inside this igloo to cool off.
If we're going to save Captain Lowtide, we've got to get moving. Come on, fellas, back to the plane.
Gee, I hope all your igloos up north have ice cream cones like these, Mr. Snowshoe. Yum, yum.
You fellas are going to get cooled off soon enough. Temperature dropping fast. Time to put on your Arctic clothes.
Oh, very good joke on you, Clutch Cargo. Snowball and me never take ours off. We never take chances.
Weather getting rough. Hang on to your hats.
Oh! You're playing worse than my sled on mountain peaks, Clutch Cargo.
Hey, it's snowing.
Oh, we gotta mush ahead to save Captain Lowtide.
Engines icing up. We've got to fly lower for warmer air.
Clutch, look. Look ahead.
Iceberg!
Can Clutch and company avoid hitting that mountain of ice? Be sure to tune in for the next exciting episode with Clutch Cargo.